Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called PeerBie, and this is the best online collaboration and remote management software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get your extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Now, collaborative tools are really important if you are trying to work with a team. You know, it's a hassle to share different type of documentations, add members in and out, and all this stuff becomes a big hassle if you're doing it using different platforms and different mediums. Could be a pain. Now this offers, like for example, your projects. In the project section you will be able to see you can add new projects or whatever you are trying to work on. Let's say you are working on a documentation, you can create a project using this plus icon, enter the privacy of this project, so who will be able to see that project and who will be not. You can even check the accounting, myself or someone else. So once you decided, you can click on OK, and also you can see my tasks. So today, upcoming, overdue, completed. So you can see how this is formed, and you can move your different tasks in different sections. You can customize it and add it according to your liking. You can add your task name in here. Once you add it, then we have due date. Let's just set that. Let's just set the due date for tomorrow. You can add a start time, end time, repeat, and reminder. Then you can add a subtask. You can add additional options and add to tasks. Once you do, click on post and it should be good to go in the form. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. So it is currently upcoming. You can even drag it into different columns if you want to do. You can edit it, set reminder, share, copy, duplicate, move to another team, so on and so forth. So you can see your teams that you have created. So the teams within teams feature is really amazing for this platform. You have your directories. So currently I have created a directory in this, and I have invited a teammate. If you want to add more, click on this invite teammate option. Now, talking about some other information, and if you are still unsure about the platform, this is the best rated platform out there, PeerBie. And you can see the overall rating, ease of use, value for money, customer support, and functionality. If you want to go through about its features and what it has to offer by yourself, head over to this type of platform and will be having a better idea. Something I highly recommend. You can head over to the link in the description to access this and get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.